everyone, so today I just wanted to show you how to revive some gel pens. So you can see I have these gel pens that they're probably a year old. They're not that old, but this one's okay. It still needs some revival. And I'm kind of upset because there's a lot of ink in them still, but the ink will not come out. So I was gonna try something where I pull this out. So that you can see this particular gel pen, you can kind of like pull out this part, and this is just water. And I tried it before with another gel pen and it worked. So I kind of wanted to show you guys. So I'm just gonna soak it in there for a little bit. And then it's not even hot. That's just like room temperature, regular tap water. This one does look a little more clogged than the other ones, but let me put it in there a little longer. Let's see if this works. If not, I may have to get a little toothpick and I'm just putting it back in. Let's see if that worked. Oh, see? It revived it. It did work. So that's pretty cool. Where did my other pen thing go? So then you can just screw it back. And then you can write. So let's try it with the green. This is the same brand. And I have one that's like a different brand of gel pen. And these are glitter pens. And you can see this one. This one's like completely out. So it's still a lot of ink though. So this is just regular water, nothing in there, no alcohol or anything. And then I'm just drying it. I didn't even put it in there for that long, so I'm not sure if it'll work. It still looks a little clogged in there, but maybe that's all it needed. This one is really dry, so let's put it in for a little longer. Maybe this one won't work. I don't know, because it was like really dead. I may need to get let me get a little safety pin and see if I can unclog it. Okay, I just got a little safety pin. Oops. I got a little safety pin because I wanted to like, oh my gosh, look at that. I kind of unclogged that ink a little. There's a lot of ink in there. And then let's see if that helps it. Put that back in. This one is not quite working. Another thing I heard is you can blow on the bottom of this. So I'm gonna try blowing on this tip. Sorry, it's not focusing. This part, I'm gonna try blowing on it. Oh look, the blowing on it actually worked. So I just took my mouth against that and I blew against that and it worked. Look at that. So a little bit of safety pin. Oh, it's kind of running out again. Oh, I may have to do it a couple of times just to get the ink flowing. Let's try another brand and then let's see. So this one is kind of doubtful because you see those like air pockets in there, but we'll see. Let's see if this one works. Just stick it in there. Sometimes the other ones I ran it under a tap water so that there's more pressure, but that may or may not help. I'll stick the safety pin in there. You can see the ink kind of flowing out. And dry it. I'm gonna make a mess over here and put this back in. See if we can get this one working. Oh, this one is working now too. But it's kind of running out too. Let me try blowing on it. See, this one is working, but there is some air pockets there. So it's kind of intermittently working. I guess the best one we did was this pink one. But I hope that helps someone because now I can reuse these pens. I'll work on these a little more to see if I can get them working better. Maybe if I shake it a little or maybe soak it longer. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching and bye now. So I'm back and I actually was able to get this blue one to work pretty well. So what I did is I actually stuck this safety pin into the well of this pen, and then I put like a little drop of water in there because I think this part was a little clogged, but now it didn't affect the ink. It's not diluted or anything. And then it works. So it looks like it worked for all of them. This is actually a really pretty color. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks again. Bye now.